Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. Chevrolet prioritized comfort and style by including front and rear reading lights, skid plates, and air conditioning. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, OnStar, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.